Welcome! In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable shared items notifications on Google Drive, so you never miss an update when someone shares a file or folder with you. This quick setup ensures you're always in the loop and helps you stay organized whether you're working on personal projects, schoolwork, or professional documents. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all of your app and system preferences live. Once inside, scroll down until you see Apps and give it a tap. From your list of installed apps, find and tap on Google Drive. This is where we'll adjust the notification settings specifically for Drive. Now, tap on Notifications. This section will give you detailed control over which types of alerts you want to receive and how they appear on your device. Next, tap on Notification Categories. Think of this as a breakdown of all the different types of notifications Google Drive can send you. Each category can be customized to fit your needs. From here, look for the option labeled Shared Items and tap on it. This setting controls whether you're notified when someone shares a new file or folder with you in Google Drive. At this point, all that's left to do is select Alert. By choosing this, you're telling your phone to actively notify you with a sound or pop-up whenever a shared item comes through. This makes sure nothing important slips by unnoticed. And that's it. You've now enabled shared item notifications for Google Drive on your phone. It only takes a few quick steps, but it can make a big difference in how quickly you respond to new files and collaborations. So, to recap, open your phone's settings, go into Apps, tap on Google Drive, then Notifications, head into Notification Categories, tap on Shared Items, and finally select Alert. With this setup, you'll always be notified right away when someone shares something with you, keeping communication and teamwork smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching.